That's one of the big ones we've been after for a while.
Man, this is one of those ones that's just a jumper. Man, look at that fish. I don't want to lose my head.
It's cold.
I want to get across the mouth of the bay as quick as possible. Get over on that side.
I'm gonna need that today.
Hello, this is Matthew with Hot Fishing 13 bringing you another fishing episode. We're here on Starvation Reservoir and fishing for rainbow trout with our favorite bait, Powerbait. And it's been a windy day. You can see out on the water there's little white caps. Pretty stiff breeze, probably 5 miles an hour. And we got the Minn Kota, and it's doing a great job. I've been using Spot Walk, and we're using Powerbait. And one of the things I'm doing today is I'm using some of my vintage reels. Let me show you. I got a Zebco Omega rod. I got my other Zebco 33, Omega 33, and it's on a vintage rod.
Good hit. Got him. Good one. Pulling anyway. Haven't seen it yet. He's allergic to the surface. Oh, come on. Wow. Alright. Get close. Alright. First one of the day.
That's a keeper.
That's a fatty.
Yeah, that's a 2.5 pounder. Okay, let's see if I can get over there closer to shore where you were. That was a good spot. You got a fish on. That was biting. That one was biting. There it goes. There it goes. But he was definitely biting.
Oh, he followed. That's funny. All right, well, we got a good one. This is a good fish.
That one was.
He looked bigger.
Yeah, a lot bigger.
He looked a lot bigger. Wow, I can't believe. Oh yeah, there we go. I can't believe you chased that down and I was rolling it in.
Jason, that's 1 in 100. Actually, you're actually doing something, and I see the bite.
Oh, I can't do that again. It was right there. He just came right to us. Nice. Cut off on it.
Some of this.
Go. Take your line.
Fish on, fish on.
Back. I think we're in a good area.
Omega 33 does it on the Piscafun Torrent. You know, this reel is over 50 years old, early 1970s model. To be Jason.
That's way more good. You lose your license. You're at a hooking license.
How long is it, do you think? 22?
I'm gonna get, I guess he is 19, 18, somewhere in there. 19, 19 and a half.
19 and a half.
There you go.
2.5.
Nice, good answer. That's kind of what we expected, you know, unless we get a big one.
Awesome.
Not really, I'm not recording.
He's still there.
He got tangled with my other line. He's not close, he's right here. He's like almost in. Ooh. Don't do that. Don't jump like that. We don't want to jump. We want to. Oh, man. He is having a fit. Here comes a fit.
They're all cookie hard.
Yep, there we go. Oh. Yep, got it. Watch for that when you go out. There in the bag. Oh. Oh, he snapped it. I felt it snap. It came off. Oh! That makes me mad.
Not coming down or
No, I don't know. Let's check. No, it snapped. It can be done. Maybe. That'll break off again. Oh, you know.
big male.
Tightened up jaw. Not coming.
He got surprised.
He's swinging. Oh, it's a daddy! Holy cow! That's one of the big ones we've been after for a while.
Yeah,
Holy crap!
we're gonna have to weigh that one.
Yeah, if I can get him in. Oh my god, what a trick! Holy cow, this fish is pulling.
That's a big one.
That's a big one. I didn't realize it was that big at first.
I think you got.
That one be on the other line. He's on the line. Dang it! Oh! I cannot get him to come around. Holy crap! What a pain.
Strong fish.
Yeah, that's a dandy fatty. I thought it was even bigger than that. Here, let's get him unhooked and untangle everything. Oh, my goodness, you're a troublemaker. I barely had him, too. Oh, God. Oh! I just missed the basket. I was going right for it. His head went and he took off. Are you serious?
I've done the same thing.
I know. That irritates me. I was trying to do it so I wouldn't. That one, huh? Yahoo! Get him hooked, or are you just playing around?
Oh, it's there.
All right, you got it.
Finally.
That's the word of the day. Oh.
The word of the day is finally.
Yeah, that's today's word of the day. Finally. That's a good one. 95. Nice.
I know we need your extension net. fresh bait too. Maybe we'll catch our limit today. He wants to swim right in there.
Away from it. Wow, look at the color in that fish. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Look at that color.
Broke my hook off.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I'll tie another hook on. And that was on the starboard side of the boat, over here on the deep side. I didn't cast out very far either.
Might be a good little spot right here where it comes right out.
I was hoping it'd be more protected, but there's a bite. Got a bite, bite.
Ready? That's a nice one. Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
Man, this is one of those ones that's just a jumper, man. He's jumped like 6 times already. At least 2 feet or 3 feet out of the water.
Found a new spot, man.
See?
Sandy. There he is. Coming in. Coming in.
On the Zebco Omega 33. Yes, what a jumper. One of the things I like about this reel is it has a really good drag system. I've been really impressed with it, even though it's 50 years old.
I see the sunlight right in my face.
I know, it's right there.
Okay.
He's not as big as I thought he was, but
Nice fish.
yeah, he's a keeper.
Nothing to sniff at. Heck yeah. Well, that was instant.
Yeah, that was less than 5 minutes in the water. There we go.
There we go. I'll
Okay.
let you release him into the back.
You don't touch yourself?
I'm not touching fish right now.
Well, he's in there now. He's good.
Good.
Okay, fish, we got one more of you to catch. We want to take home our limit. And is that it?
That was a real fish, but I don't think he's still there. Hanging up.
There's a bite, there's a bite, there's a bite on that one right there. Check it.
Of course there is, because I was busy. It's still hidden. Got it. Good eye, Matt. Good eye.
I've spotted 2 years while you're
I may
distracted.
not even need to rig my other pole out.
Let's catch him.
We'll find out, huh?
Let's go home.
He's pulling good. I don't think he's little. I think we're gonna get a big one. Coming around. Oh, nice, very nice of him. He's almost there. That's a nice one. Whoa. Well, it's sure quiet.
It's about as big as that smallest one.
Yeah.
1.5 pounds, pound 3/4, 2 pounder.
If I could just get his head above water, I could keep him there.
Oh,
That's a nice one.
it's a lovely fish.
That's a nice eater. Look at that.
Like all of his fins and everything.
Tasty.
Yes, good job.
Okay. Yay! Success!
He quit.
Heck yeah!
So I want to do a quick review on the Zebco Omega 33. This is a mid-1970s model, so it's basically nearly 50 years old. How did it operate with the fish? It was wonderful. The drag worked great. It casts very well. It handles the fish. It's just a very smooth reel. And you can still buy these on eBay all the time, or find at garage sales or estate sales. It's a wonderful, wonderful reel. And I'm just really pleased with it. I fish with some other reels, but this is going to be one of my go-to reels going forward. I paired this one with an old Zebco 33, I think, spin cast reel rod, and it worked wonderfully. I think I caught at least 2 fish with this reel or rod reel today. So great reel. Go find you one on eBay and buy it. And I have videos, I'll put a link below on how to service this particular reel and repair it. So thanks. Have a great day and enjoy the next time you go out fishing.